Hi guys, my name's Ashley Green and this is the YouTube channel for The Successful Mentalist. Now on this YouTube channel, you're going to be learning all the tips, tricks, methods and techniques to improving your business, your performance and your mindset. Now every single week, we're going to be releasing a brand new video dedicated to teaching you everything I've just mentioned. Every single video we release will give you the actionable advice that you need to improve your careers in magic and mentalism. Now we're going to be releasing a brand new video every single Friday at precisely 3:30 p.m. London time. So do subscribe, do stay up to date, and do keep an eye out for all of the awesome new content we're going to be releasing for you. I'll see you guys soon, and remember, keep an eye out.